Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to find the videos you have recently watched on YouTube. At first, open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. Click the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and click next. Now enter your password and click next. You're logged into your YouTube account. In the left sidebar, you can find a section called You. Under this section, click on History. You will be navigated to your watch history page. On this page, you can find all your watch history. Most recently watched videos can be found at the top and older videos can be found below. You can find specific videos from your watch history by using the search box in the right sidebar. This is how you can find the videos you have recently watched on YouTube. Thank you for watching.